Hi everyone, Anna Rose Bain here. Submitting your work to the Portrait Society of America's international competition can feel a little intimidating, especially if you're not particularly comfortable with technology. But don't worry, formatting your images is actually very simple. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 easy ways to prepare your files for submission using your desktop computer. First with Photoshop, and then using the free Adobe Express Image Resizer. Before we begin, let's quickly review the Portrait Society's image requirements. According to the competition guidelines, only digital entries will be accepted. Images should show only the artwork itself, no frame, matte, or background. Files must be saved as either a JPEG or TIFF. Each file must be no larger than 6 megabytes. And finally, each image must be labeled using the artist's name, first initial, and the letter of the entry separated by dashes. Let's begin with Photoshop. Okay, start by opening an image of your painting in Photoshop, and if your image looks like this one is not ready to submit to competition. It still needs to be cropped. You're going to want to make sure that your image contains only the artwork itself. If your photo includes a frame, an easel, or a wall, or any surrounding background like this one does, you're going to need to crop it and, of course, also color correct it to match your painting. Now, I do have a separate tutorial just on doing that, on cropping and color correcting your images of your paintings. You can check that one out. So I'm going to go ahead and close this file. And here is the image after it's been color corrected. The values have been brightened up to match the painting, and it's also been cropped to a perfect square. But the file size is quite large, and so this is where we need to do some image formatting. So we're going to go ahead and go to Image and Image Size. You can see that it's 14.5 inches across and it's at a resolution of 300 dpi. That's what we want. We want to make sure it's 6 megabytes or smaller. So for competition submissions, the exact pixel dimensions aren't critical as long as the image is sharp and the final file is under 6 megabytes. So in general, a long dimension of around 3,000 to 4,000 pixels provides more than enough resolution for judging. So we're going to go ahead and select pixels here instead of inches, and we're going to change it to 3,000 pixels. Now, disregard this. It says 25.7 megabytes up here at the top. That's when the file is opened in Photoshop. You're going to find that when you save it, it's not going to be that large of a file. So resample it automatic, that's fine. We're going to hit OK, and then we're going to go to File, and we're going to hit Save As. Now this is really important instead of hitting Save, because this allows you to preserve your original high resolution image while creating a separate file specifically for competition submission. So that way you're always going to have your original file untouched should you need it later. And here we're going to hit Save As. Now I'm saving it into the folder that I want it to be at in my computer. This is the current or original file name. And so what's really important is that we save that file name according to the competition guidelines. So that's going to be Bain-A-A. We'll say that this is my first submission in the competition, so that's letter A there. And then we'll save it as a JPEG here. You could save it as a TIFF, but that will automatically make it a larger file, so I don't feel like that's really necessary. A JPEG is just fine. And then we're going to hit Save. And then this little box is going to pop up. You can select image quality 12, so we want it to be a large file, and baseline optimized is fine, and we'll hit OK. From there, you can locate the file on your computer, and it will be ready to go. So we'll check it out here. There it is. There's my entry, Bain AA. Now if you right-click and select Properties, you can see exactly how big the file is. It's 5.65 megabytes, which is perfect. So that one is ready to go. Okay, if you don't have Photoshop, don't worry. Adobe offers a free online tool called Adobe Express Image Resizer, which makes resizing your images quick and easy. So just open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Express Image Resizer. Click Upload Your Photo. We're going to go ahead and upload our large photo here. And that's going to open in this little box here. It's currently showing the image size. And so let's select 3,000 by 3,000 pixels again. Currently it's locked, and I want that because this is a square and I want to maintain that square ratio. Now what it's telling me here is that the new size is still going to be a little bit too large. So let's go down to, let's try 2,500 by 2,500. And that takes us comfortably underneath the 6 megabyte limit. So we'll go ahead and download it. And we're going to need to rename it again. So we're going to go with Bain-A-7. C and hit save. And if we open it in our computer folder here, you can either go back to properties by right-clicking here, or you can just hover your mouse over the image file and you'll see that it's under the 6 megabyte limit. So that one is now ready for submission. Once your images are properly formatted, you're ready to upload them through the Portrait Society submission portal. Good luck with your entries, and thank you for participating in the Portrait Society of America International. Year after year, it's artists like you that continue to elevate the level of excellence, inspiring each other as we grow and flourish together as a community dedicated to the pursuit of great art.